Good morning, children. Again we are back for revision questions. Up to question 1 to 12 we have done in one video, and the second video is for remaining questions, that is question 13 to 25. Okay, let us start. Question 13. Number of number name 170. 170. 4 options are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am not writing the wrong answers. I am writing only the correct answer. 170. How we write? 170. When you will find 160, that you will tick. Okay. You have to read the question properly, and then you have to see the options, and 3 wrong answers will be given. You have to select the correct option and then take that. And after the exam you have to submit your paper. Don't forget to submit it. If you will not submit, it will not be submitted. If you will not submit, you will not get result. So kindly submit your paper. Beforehand only you open your computer or mobile and sit calmly. At 7 o'clock the paper will start, and at 7:25 it will be over. Now question 14. Take the greatest 3 digits number. Here greatest. Tell me among 1 to 9 single digit number which is the biggest. Yes, 9 is the biggest in single digit number. When I will ask from 10 to 99 which is the biggest double digit number, you will say 99 is the biggest number among 2 digit number. When I will say among 3 digits number which is the biggest number, you will say 999. It depends upon the question what is asked. If 2 digit number is asked, then 99 will be biggest. If 3 digit number is asked, then 999 will be the answer. If among single digit it is asked which is the biggest digit, then 9 will be the answer. It depends upon the question. Okay, read the question properly. Now come to the next question. 4 digit number. Smallest 4 digit number. I am writing the 4 options. Now you tell me which is the smallest 4 digit number. The place value also you can compare. Here you can see 4 digits numbers are given. You have to compare the digits which are given in thousands place. Here 1, here 2, here 1, here 0. If same number is given in thousands place, you will move here. You will see here 1 and here 0. So you can find out that 1000 is the smallest 4 digit number. Compare the digits according to its place value and you will find out its answer easily. If it is 3 digit number, you will compare the 100 digits. If it is 2 digit number, you will compare the tens digit number, and if it is single digit number, you can see and you can guess easily, isn't it? Here it is 4 digit number, so you will see the place value of thousands. Okay. Now we are moving to question 16. Question 16 is repeated one. Take the number in which the place value of 4 is 40. That we have already done, so I will not write. Now we are moving to question number 17. 17 is take the biggest number. Take the biggest number among 174, 389, 946 and 639. Here you can see and compare the number which are in hundreds place. 1, 3, 9 and 6. In hundreds place 9 is given, so it is the biggest number. And in option A, B, C, D where it is written, you will click that. Digits will be changed in exam. This is a model test paper. Digits will be changed. Okay. Now question 18. 18 is take the smallest number among 99, 999, 1000 and 46. As you can see, it is 3-digit number, it is 4-digit number, so it can't be smallest. You will compare among 2-digit number. Here it is 9 given and here it is 4 given. So obviously 46 will be the smallest digit number. In option where you will see 46, you will take the answer. Okay. Now come to question number 19. 19 is of addition. If we add 2 plus 3 plus 5, the answer will be. Now you tell me 2 plus 3. I have told you how to add 3 in your mind. 2, take out 2 fingers, then 4 and 5. You will get 5. Then 5 plus 5 is very easy. 5 plus 5 is 10. So the correct answer will be 10. Wherever you will find the correct answer, you will take that. For online test, you have to take one rough page and pencil. For addition, you can do it and then you can take the correct answer. Because digits will be changed, you have to write properly and then add it, and then in that way you will get the answer and then you will take that. Okay. Don't forget to take. If you are doing in rough page for rough work, you have to mark the answer which you got in the computer also, or in laptop or in mobile. Okay, now let us move to question number 20. Question number 20 is take the correct answer. Few questions are given. We all know 2 plus 2 is 4, but here 0 is written, so it is wrong. Then 1 plus 0 is 1. Here it is right. So you will take that option which is correct, and other 3 options are wrong. Why it is wrong? Let us see. First we have done. Second we know that it is right. 1 plus 0 is 1. 5 plus 1 is 6, but 7 is written, so it is wrong answer. You will not take that. 8 plus 1 is 9. Here 10 is written, so it is also wrong. You have to choose the correct answer, which is 1 plus 0 is 1. So you will take the correct option. Add 42 plus 0. The answer will be 42 only. So where you will get the answer, correct answer 42, you will take that. Okay. Anything property of addition, that if we add 0 with any number, the answer will be the given number. So answer will be 42. You will, in among 4 options, you will choose the correct answer. Now come to question number 22. Number 22 is a word problem. I am reading for you. I have 12 balls. My brother has 8 balls. How many balls together we have? Now 12 plus 8 will be 20. How we got? You have to write it in a proper way. 8 plus 2 will be 10. As it is double digit, we will carry it. So the answer will be 20. Where you will get the answer 20, you will take that answer. Word problems are realistic situation given to solve the problem. Now come to question number 23. It is also of addition. Add 77 plus 10 plus 10. You can add this also, and then you can add this 77, 10 plus 10, or you can add like this also. 0 plus 7 will be 7. 7 plus 1 will be the next number, that is 8. 8 plus 1 will be 9. So the answer will be 97. So you will take the correct option. As you know, 3 options will be wrong, and the only there will be one correct answer that you take. Now come to question number 24. Question number 24 is take the correct number name of 442. Number name of 442. Here students, you all see and learn the spelling of 40, because the correct spelling of 40 is F-O-R-T-Y. Many mistakes were done by you and you add U here, which is wrong. You have to learn number name and take that. Okay, then let us do the last question. Question 25. What we will get if we add? What we will get if we add 1 to 899. Yeah, 899, 900 will be your right answer. Hope now you have understood how to do the maths unit test. Seeing this video, and enough revision was also given. In March and April we have done only book, and then from summer vacation again we have started for copy the same exercises, lesson number 1 and 2. And then addition. These 3 chapters are coming in your unit test. Hope you have already revised it and you will do a great job and you will score good marks. And it's my request to parents also, let them do by their own. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this will help you to do unit test better. Bye. Bye.